Hey plant lovers, ever heard of a plant that can heal wounds, soothe your tummy, and even ease your worries? No, it's not a magical herb from a fairy tale. It's Yarrow, the unassuming superstar you need in your life. Let's dive into the amazing world of this little-known plant, exploring its incredible benefits and learning how to easily grow and use it. Let's get started. Yarrow, Achillea Millefolium, has been cherished for centuries for its healing powers. It's like a natural first aid kit and wellness tonic all rolled into one. So what's the big deal about Yarrow? Let's break it down. Wound warrior. Yarrow is a natural styptic, meaning it helps stop bleeding. It also boasts anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, making it a fantastic ally for wound healing. Digestive soother, got an upset tummy? Yarrow can help. It can calm indigestion, bloating, and gas. Think of it as a gentle hug for your digestive system. Menstrual miracle. Ladies, Yarrow can be a lifesaver for menstrual cramps. Its antispasmodic properties can ease those pesky cramps and discomfort. Anxiety and mood booster, feeling stressed or down. Yarrow may help to lift your spirits and reduce anxiety. It's like a warm cup of tea for your soul. Skin savior. Yarrow isn't just for internal use. It can soothe and heal skin irritations, making it a great addition to your skincare routine. Now that you know why Yarrow is so amazing, let's talk about how to use it. Tea. Yarrow tea is a popular and easy way to enjoy its benefits. To make it, simply steep 1-2 teaspoons of dried yarrow flowers and leaves, or a handful of fresh, in a cup of hot water for 10-15 minutes. Strain and enjoy. You can drink it warm or cold. Tincture. Yarrow tincture is a more concentrated form and can be taken in drops. Follow the recommended dosage on the product label. Poultice or compress, for wound healing or skin irritations. You can make a poultice by crushing fresh yarrow leaves and applying them directly to the affected area. Alternatively, you can soak a cloth in yarrow tea and use it as a compress. Salve or cream. Yarrow-infused salves or creams can be applied topically to soothe and heal skin conditions. Look for them at health food stores or online. Ready to add this powerhouse plant to your garden? Great news! Yarrow is super easy to grow. It thrives in full sun and well-draining soil. You can start from seeds or purchase young plants. Once established, Yarrow is drought-tolerant and requires minimal care. Plus, its cheerful flowers will attract beneficial pollinators to your garden. While Yarrow is generally safe for most people, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor before using it, especially if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking any medications. Well, there you have it, friends. Yarrow, the unsung hero of your garden and medicine cabinet. I hope you're as excited as I am to explore all that this amazing plant has to offer. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my future plant-tastic adventures. Thanks for watching and stay green.